In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shop Now button on TikTok. If you've been trying to get that Shop Now option to show up but can't find it, don't worry. This walkthrough will guide you through the exact settings to check so it appears on your account. Start by opening the TikTok app and signing into your account. You'll want to be on your own profile for this, since the Shop button appears in areas connected to your content and account settings. If you don't see a Shop button yet, that's normal. By default, it may be hidden until a few related settings are enabled. From the main screen, go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Once you're on your profile page, open the Settings menu. On most devices, that's the three-line or gear icon in the top right. This takes you into your account's controls, where we can adjust what's needed to make the Shop button visible. Next, open Notifications. This section controls the alerts TikTok can send you, and it also influences which commerce features are active and visible on your account. Inside Notifications, you'll see a list of categories with toggles. Turn on all the notification options you see here. Enabling these ensures TikTok can surface shopping-related updates and features, which helps the Shop Now button appear in the app. If you're concerned about too many alerts, don't worry. You can always come back later and fine-tune individual categories after the button shows up. After you've switched everything on, give the app a moment to update. The Shop Now button should appear once those settings are active. Sometimes this shows up on your profile or connected content areas, depending on your account setup and the current TikTok interface. If it's not immediately visible, be patient. Changes can take a little time to reflect. Keep in mind that availability can vary by country, region, and account eligibility. Some commerce features roll out gradually, so even with the correct settings, you might see the button later rather than instantly. If you've turned on all notification toggles and still don't see the Shop Now button, feel free to contact TikTok customer service. Use the Help or Support section within the app to report the issue, describe that you've enabled all notification settings, and ask for assistance with activating the Shop feature on your account. They can verify eligibility and help resolve anything that's blocking the button from appearing. That's it. Open TikTok, go to your profile, head into Settings, tap Notifications, and turn on every toggle. With those in place, the Shop Now button should become available. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your shop up and running.